So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add your Instagram profile link to your Threads account. So what you need to do is, first of all, go to Instagram and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That opens your Instagram profile page. Here, tap on Share Profile, and this profile sharing page will appear. Tap on Copy Link. So that's going to copy your Instagram profile link to the clipboard. So what you need to do now is exit out of Instagram and then go to Threads. Just launch the app. That's the Threads homepage. Tap on your profile icon again in the bottom right corner, and then tap on Edit Profile. In the links section, tap on that. Now there's either a link already or there's no link at all. If there's no link, or if there's a link, you can delete it and then go ahead and paste our new link here. Okay, you can either long press and tap on edit, or tap once until this paste option appears, or if you're using Android, you should have the link there. Okay, because it's in the clipboard, it's going to appear there. And then once you paste the link, you can just tap on the check mark and then tap on done to save those changes. So now on your Instagram bio, there's going to be, on your Threads profile page, there's going to be a direct link to your Instagram profile. Let's just wait for it to open. Like that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.